Did you know that the average person reads only 12 books a year? What if I told you that doubling this number could unlock a world of new perspectives and growth? In this video, I'm diving into the transformative journey of reading, showcasing how each book can serve as a portal to new insights, personal evolution, and the untapped potential within us. If you're ready to unlock new horizons and embrace the power of reading, hit that like button, subscribe for more enlightening content, and let's get started on this transformative journey. Book 1. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits. By James Clear teaches us the mighty impact of tiny, regular habits on our lives. This book argues that it's not the monumental changes, but rather the small things we do every day that shape our futures. For instance, I once struggled to maintain a consistent reading habit. However, by setting a manageable goal of reading just 10 minutes daily, I gradually found myself reading more regularly than ever before. This small step didn't just improve my reading habit, it transformed how I approached goals across all areas of my life, underscoring the book's message about the value of incremental progress. A real-life example of this can be seen in someone who decides to write a single page every day. Over a year, this small daily action can result in a complete manuscript, demonstrating how even the most modest habits can lead to substantial achievements over time. Book 2. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now emphasizes the significance of embracing the present moment to escape the burdens of the past and the uncertainties of the future. This book opened my eyes to the beauty and depth of now, teaching me to appreciate life as it unfolds moment by moment. The key lesson for me has been learning to let go of lingering regrets and anxieties about the future, which has led to a more calm and mindful way of living. It's about understanding that dwelling on past mistakes or fearing the future only takes away the joy of living today. A practical example of this philosophy in action can be seen in someone who decides to spend 10 minutes each day meditating or simply being fully engaged in whatever activity they are doing, free from distractions. This small practice can significantly reduce stress and increase one's appreciation for the richness of life in the current moment, demonstrating the transformative power of living in the now. Book 3. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Stephen R. Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People serves as a roadmap to achieving success in both personal and professional realms by adhering to enduring principles. My journey with this book taught me the power of being proactive and the importance of organizing my tasks by priority. The greatest takeaway has been the transformation towards a more structured, meaningful, and balanced approach to life. It's about creating a harmony between responsibilities and desires, leading to a more fulfilling existence. An example of these principles at work is seen in the habit of beginning with the end in mind. A friend of mine applied this by setting clear long-term career goals and then breaking them down into actionable steps. This approach has allowed him to steadily progress towards his ambitions, illustrating how Covey's habits can lead to substantial real-world outcomes when applied with intention and consistency. Book 4. Mindset: The New Psychology of Success by Carol S. Dweck. Carol S. Dweck's Mindset: The New Psychology of Success delves into how our perspective on ability and growth can significantly shape our achievements. The book contrasts two mindsets: the fixed mindset, which sees ability as static, and the growth mindset, which views challenges as opportunities for development. This shift has been liberating, making me more resilient and eager to take on new challenges. It taught me the value of perseverance and the importance of learning from setbacks rather than being discouraged by them. A real-life example of adopting a growth mindset is a colleague who, despite initial struggles with public speaking, chose to view each presentation as a chance to improve. Instead of shying away, they sought feedback, practiced diligently, and gradually became a confident speaker. This story illustrates the power of a growth mindset in turning perceived weaknesses into strengths through dedication and a willingness to learn. Book 5. The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Don Miguel Ruiz's The 4 Agreements introduces 4 simple yet profound principles that guide one towards personal liberation and joy. Among these, the advice to not take anything personally has profoundly impacted my life. It has lessened my stress and dramatically enhanced my relationships by helping me understand that other people's actions and words are more about them than me. Living by these agreements has significantly boosted my overall happiness and life satisfaction. It's about shifting how we interact with the world and ourselves, leading to deeper peace and contentment. A practical example of these principles in action is seen in a friend who applied "always do your best" in her work life. Regardless of the day's challenges, she focused on giving her best effort without overextending herself or compromising her well-being. Book 6, Start with Why by Simon Sinek. Simon Sinek's Start with Why highlights the importance of recognizing our fundamental motivations to achieve enduring success and satisfaction. Discovering my own why has given me a clear direction and ignited a passion in my endeavors that I hadn't felt before. It's about connecting what we do with why we do it, leading to more meaningful actions and decisions. This realization has brought a new level of clarity and enthusiasm to my life, ensuring that what I pursue is deeply aligned with my values and ultimate goals. Book 7, Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. Elizabeth Gilbert's Big Magic is a vibrant ode to creativity, urging us to embrace our curiosities and engage in our passions without fear. Inspired by Gilbert's wisdom, I've tackled my own creative projects with a newfound bravery, stepping beyond the shadows of fear that once held me back. The journey through Big Magic has infused me with a sense of liberation and self-assurance in my creative pursuits. It's taught me the value of perseverance and the beauty of embracing creativity as a part of everyday life. A real-life illustration of this comes from a friend who, after reading the book, finally took the leap to start her own small business. Despite fears of failure and uncertainty, she embraced her creative instincts and launched a venture that reflects her passions and talents. Witnessing her journey from hesitation to flourishing success has been a powerful testament to the transformative message of Big Magic, that living a creatively fulfilled life is not just a possibility, but a reality within reach for all of us. As we close this chapter on transformative literature, I hope you're inspired to turn the pages of not just these books, but also the new chapters in your own life. If this journey through words has sparked a light within you, I invite you to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the power of reading. Share this with friends who seek inspiration or a fresh perspective, and don't forget to comment below with the books that have shaped your journey or any new reads you're excited about. Together, let's continue to build a community of curious minds and passionate hearts. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep turning the page and discovering the magic within.